OppFi Express Loan Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'm reviewing OppFi Express Loans, and you can find links to the product in the description below. Let's get into the details of what this service offers, who it's made for, and why it might be a good option for those in need of quick funding. OppFi provides express loans designed for individuals who might not have access to traditional credit lines or banking services. The platform offers fast, short-term loans with a simple application process that can be done entirely online. One of the most notable features of OppFi is its accessibility. Unlike many traditional lenders that require a high credit score, OppFi considers a broader range of factors, meaning even those with poor or limited credit histories can still qualify. The loan amounts range from $500 to $4,000, which makes it suitable for a variety of financial needs, whether it's an unexpected medical bill or a car repair. Approval is quick, and in many cases, funds can be deposited into your account as soon as the next business day, which is ideal for urgent financial situations. Another advantage of OppFi is the flexibility it offers in terms of repayment. Loan terms range from 6 to 36 months, giving you enough time to repay the loan without adding additional financial strain. The platform is also transparent with its fees, which helps borrowers understand the total cost of the loan before they commit. However, it's important to note that OppFi's interest rates can be on the higher side, particularly if you're borrowing at the upper limit of their loan amounts. So, while it's a great option for those in need of quick cash, it's crucial to evaluate whether you can comfortably repay the loan on time to avoid high interest costs. In conclusion, OppFi Express Loans offer a convenient and accessible solution for people who need fast funding. With a quick application process, flexible repayment options, and quick approval, it's a reliable option for those in urgent need of cash. Make sure to check the description for more details on how to get started.